So, hello. Today I'd like to take a look at this, which is, well, it's not real. I mean, well, I wish it was. I really wish it was. It's very heavy, I can tell you. It's a real monster. It's a Chicago Typewriter. It's the Thompson submachine gun. Well, I think it was issued around 1921. It's a monkey. It has this. It's really heavy. So I wonder if that's the actual heaviness of it, because it weighs a freaking ton. It does, doesn't it? But here you can see. I'll first show you this via safe. Safe that would have. These are obviously melted into the Denix reproduction gun that I've got here. It's not an absolute. I wish it was, but it's not a real one. So it says single full auto, and well, there are some working parts on it. That if I push that down, that takes out the magazine. And this gun could also have a cylindrical barrel, which was well, it was amazing. It's a small handheld machine gun. I mean, it is very heavy though, because if that's reality, if Denix have made this in reality, I can tell you that is a very heavy gun. That is a very heavy submachine gun. That is a fact, isn't it? So the mass is 10.8 pounds, according with a barrel length of 267 millimeters, right? In instant. So I'm going to leave a clip from Public Enemies, which is a great movie using these machine guns, and I'm going to leave a clip from oh, I can't remember the name of it now, with Tom Hanks, brilliant actor, wonderful man. Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, you'll find it this description box below. So it's a .45 auto, right, with a straight-walled cartridge with a round-nosed bullet that was designed in about 1904, and .45 ACP. I don't know what all that old rubbish means, because I'm an idiot. You have to wonder. What are you talking about, though, monkey? It's monkey. He's having a funky monkey. He's having a funky monkey moment. It is, isn't he? It's a sausage. I say so. I say so. But where are we going now? So, okay, it's a 20-shot stick, and they had a 50-shot drum. This machine gun can fire well, 650 shots a minute, 600 to 750 shots a minute. I'll tell you what it sounds like. I'll do an impression. It's loud, I can tell you. It's a big one. It makes the monkey, and you'd be surprised how effective it is. And well, what I'll do now is the Tommy gun, Thompson Colt Tommy gun, 4.45 ACP, 10mm auto blowback. You know what it's called, Richlock, the 900R. But it's accurate to about 150 meters. And well, they're amazing. And this one weighs a ton. Can you believe it? It weighs a freaking ton. Chicago Typewriter, used by all the gangsters. If I can knock out that mag, I'll be doing well in it. Let's knock out that magazine. If we knock it out. Can I do that with one hand? There you go. That's mag out. Woof. Woof jidge. So what I'll do, enjoy the clips that I leave below, because I'm trying to remember the name of the movie, but it doesn't matter, because really you'll see them you'll see the clip in the movie box, in the pill box of description of pills below. Tommy Thompson machine gun. Fantastic. There's not much that on this replica that actually weighs a ugly humper. Now obviously it must have had a sling attached to it. For some reason I've got a feeling that it wasn't that popular with the military, and it was sold off as a sort of really good weapon, which it is, very effective, but it was preferred by gangsters. In the 1930s they used to kind of just hold up banks with it in it. Give us your money. So here you can cock it, right? And it will click fire on this one. That's the one thing it does do. Whoa. But I imagine that it didn't make a single click, did it, when it was... I've done the impression. I'm not going to bore you with that again. I'll leave you with the descriptions below. But anyway, all the very best wishes. If you've got this far, you know you have to be